a project value of $11 million. 1,500 affordable home, all precast homes, with a massive built area of 42,750 square meters, in a site area of mammoth 80,000 square meters. Time was not a luxury they had. Deadline was nearing. Cu.m's Precast themselves took the challenge of building remaining 624 precast home. An affordable housing project by Cu.m's Precast. In June 2019, with the help of Fiori DB460, approximate 20 panels of precast slabs cast every day, approximate 15 cubic meter of M25 grade precast concrete every day. A concrete with 400 kilograms of cement per cubic meter. Fast setting concrete. A slab only takes 18 hours to be ready. In 8 months. Fiori DB460. 4,100 cubic meter of precast concrete, 5,600 number of panels cast, produced, leading to 560 homes being built. Hearty congratulations to the project team of Cu.m's Precast for this commendable achievement.